Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving guess number higher or lower. So we're basically playing the guess number game. Someone is going to pick a number from 1 to n, and we have to guess which number the person picked. We also given this function guess with argument integer num, and it'll return 1 when the argument is less than the picked number. It'll return -1 when the argument is bigger than the picked number, and if it's the same as the picked number, it'll return 0. So we can use this function to find the number. So for this problem, we can use binary search, and we can have some pointers, left and right pointer, and left pointer starts from 1 and the right pointer starts from the end, in this case the number n. And we can calculate the middle point every time. We can use the guess function with the argument m, or midpoint. And if it returns 1, which means the argument is less than the picked number, so we're gonna move the left pointer, and otherwise we're gonna move the right pointer. So for example, in this case, m is at 5, someone picked the number 9. So 5 is less than 9, so we're going to move the left pointer to mid plus 1. So the left pointer moves to 6 since midpoint is at 5. So the next operation, the midpoint will be at 8. And 8 is still less than 9, so we're going to move the left pointer again to mid plus 1. And next operation, the midpoint will be at 9. Since the guess of 9 will return 0 because 9, or in this case m, is the same as the picked number 9. So we're going to move the right to the midpoint, in this case 9. And after, once the left and the right pointers meet, we can just finish the operation and we can return either the left or right pointer, which will be at the picked number. So that is basically it. Alright, so let's write up the solution. So we're going to do a binary search. So we're going to have left and the right pointers. And so the left pointer will start from 1, and the right pointer will start from the number n that was given. And we're going to iterate through. We're going to do a binary operation while the left and the right pointer don't meet. So when the left and the right pointer are equal, then it will break out of this while loop. We're going to calculate the midpoint every time. So we can have a variable mid, and to calculate the midpoint we can do left plus right minus left divided by 2. Some people do something like left plus right divided by 2, but this might cause an integer overflow, and we don't want that. So we want to avoid multiplication and also addition as much as possible. So once we calculate the midpoint, we can use the guess function. So we can check if the guess function is equal to 1. In that case, we're going to move the left pointer. So if the guess function of mid is equal to 1, we're going to move the left pointer to mid plus 1. And otherwise, we're going to move the right pointer to the midpoint. So right assigned mid. At the end, left and the right pointer will meet when it breaks out of the while loop. So we can just return either the left or right pointer, which will be at the number that was picked. So we can just return left. So that's basically it. Let's check if this works. Alright, so this was guess number higher or lower. Thank you for watching.